Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. You might hear my kids in the background and they are busy right now. So I'm going to show you in this video is how to get a free phone and service monthly. Because of my husband lost his job last year because of the pandemic, and I started just staying at home. So we are qualified for to get help from the government, which is so nice. They are very helpful here, and the benefits are just so awesome. So I'm gonna show you how to get this if you are qualified for for SNAP. Say hi. For SNAP or Medicaid or anything like that, and also if you are within the poverty guidelines, then you should check this out. It's like, well, how much do we usually pay for phone? It's like what, the $70 per each phone with the service or just by service alone. So I think you might guys like this, and don't forget to subscribe. We will be putting a lot of videos that will help us to survive in this pandemic. So thank you so much and have a great day. As you notice, guys, I always go to google.com, so it's easier for us to find the Assurance Wireless. So type it in, and then it will show the Assurance Wireless website. Just click that, and then ta-da! And then you can just enter your zip code. So these are the things that you will get from Assurance Wireless. So it has free data monthly, free unlimited text each month, and free 1000 voice minutes each month. So this is the phone that they're going to give you. If you already have this, food stamp, SNAPs, or any benefits from the government like Medicaid, you are qualified for this. So hurry up and do it. And if you have like low income, so just check the poverty guidelines here. So how many households in your family see if you will be qualified. It's really a big help, and this is the things that comes with it. Okay, let's click enroll now. Okay, while it's loading, so this part will be most of all your information, personal information. I'm just gonna show you what questions are on the website that you need to fill out. So just read it out, all the agreement. If you like it, then type your initials and your electronic signature, and click next or continue. Okay, so you'll just put your name, your full name, everything, your address, your phone number, email address. Make sure that you remember your email address because they will send the approval or anything that is related to your application. And then type it in, your last four digit of your social security number, your birthday, and then if you're qualified through a child or dependent in your household, you can check that, and then your home address. And then think of 6 numbers that you will remember easily, because you will use this number to activate your phone once you get it in the mail. Okay, so if you are qualified through government program like SNAP, food stamp, Medicaid, just click that. Or if you are qualified through your income, just check how many households you have. Let's say you have 4 members in your family, so just check that. As long as your income is the same or less than the amount listed in the household size, so you're good. And then you will get an email notification that you are approved or not on the same day. After 12 days, I got the phone, and here it is. And I want to show you guys how it looks like. So it's a UMX, UMX. It is made in China. It is really cute. It came with a charger. It is light and has a camera, and on the side is the volume and the power button, and then you can put your headset or headphone or connect it to the phone itself. So you just turn it on and start, and just setting it up. It is just a regular Android phone, so if you have like Samsung, it's just the same thing. The difference between the high-end brand phone, this one is not that really fast. So for a very cheap phone, I think it is okay and manageable. And then don't forget, once you get your phone, you must turn your service on by calling 611 immediately, so that you can use your phone, and Assurance Wireless would know that you are still interested in using their service.